The third property is associative. Whether this associative property is applicable for all the operations and all, we'll check. So now the third property is associative. For addition, we'll check. The property will be like A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. If A, B, C are integers, if A, B, C are different integers, then how this A plus B together, if the sum of A plus B, if added with C, will be equal to A added with the sum of B plus C. Whether it is true or not, we will check now. We will check the same example. We will take C as another number. If A is equal to 2 plus minus 3 plus C I will take as 1. So what will be the value? We will consider first LHS. 2 plus of minus 3. 2 plus of minus 3 is minus 1. 2 plus of minus 3 is minus 1 and plus 1. We are getting 0. So in the right hand side, what we will get? The A is 2 plus the bracket we will take B as what is the value of B? Is minus 3 plus C is 1. So now it is 2 plus, this is minus 3 plus 1, it is nothing but minus 2. Because equal magnitude, we'll subtract 3 minus 1 is 2 and the greater number sign is minus. So minus 2. So 2 plus of minus 2 is nothing but 0. 2 plus of minus 2 is 0. So now we are getting left hand side as a 0 and right hand side as 0. So this property holds good here. This property is associative property is applicable for addition. So for subtraction, we'll check whether the associative property is applicable or not. So the same example, we take A as a 2. For B value we will take as a minus 3 and C value we will take as 1. So the same we will write now A minus of B minus C is equal to A minus B minus C. So A minus B in the left hand side we will prove first. A is 2 minus of minus 3 and we will keep it, we will close it in the bracket. Now minus 1. So what will be the value here? 2 plus 3. It is 2 plus 3 keep in the bracket and minus 1. 2 plus 3 because minus of minus 3 it will become plus. So 2 plus 3 is 5 minus 1. It is nothing but 4. So now in the right hand side. So A will take as 2 minus of B value is minus 3 and minus 1. We'll close in the bracket, inside the bracket. So it will be 2 minus minus 3 and minus 1 is nothing but minus 4. So 2 minus of minus 4, it is 2 plus 4. So it is 6. So what you have, I am seeing now, 4 is not equal to 6. So this law is not applicable. So associative property is not applicable for subtraction. Now for multiplication we will check. A into C is equal to A into B into C. So A into B. So we will take the example. A equal to 2 into minus 3. Close inside the bracket into C is 1. So in the left hand side we will prove 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 into 1. So it is minus 6. So I'll write for the right hand side. A is 2 into B is minus 3 into C is 1. So now 2 into minus 3 into 1 is minus 3. So 2 into minus 3 is nothing but minus 6. So in the left hand side we got minus 6 and in the right hand side we are getting minus 6. So both are equal. So in the multiplication this associative property can apply. So this multiplication associative is true. So now division will check. For the division we'll check now. It will be A divided by B divided by C is equal to A divided by B divided by C. So now I'll check for the left hand side. A value is 2. 2 divided by minus 3, close in the square bracket, divided by 1 is equal to 2 divided by minus 3 is 2 by minus 3 and divided by 1 means into 1 by 1 into 1 by 1. So it will be minus 2 by 3. So now for the right hand side. For the right hand side we will check. A is 2 divided by B divided by C. B is minus 3 divided by 1. So 2 divided by minus 3 divided by 1 is minus 3. So we are getting 2 divided by minus 3 is 2 by minus 3. 2 by minus 3. Here we have taken the value 1 here. When we are taking C value as a 4, we will check now how the value is changing. The left hand side value and the right hand side value will change. So A divided by B divided by C, whether it is equal to or not with A divided by B divided by C. So for the left hand side I have taken A as a 2, B as a minus 3 and C as a 4. So then now 2 divided by minus 3 is 2 by minus 3 divided by 4. So when it is divided by 4, what will take? So it will become into 1 by 4. It will become the inverse of 4. So now 2 by minus 3 into 1 by 4. This 2 cancel with 4. It's become 2. Then now 1 into 1 is 1 and minus 3 into 2 in the denominator it will become minus 1 by 6. So in the left hand side we are getting the value minus 1 by 6. So now in the right hand side it is A divided by B divided by C. So A is the value 2. Here it is the right hand side. 2 divided by the B value is minus 3 divided by C value is 4. So now 2 divided by, we will do the first work for the bracket. Inside the bracket, what will be the by the board mass rule. So minus 3 divided by 4 is minus 3 by 4. So 2 into, when we will divide here, the division sign it will become 2. It will convert to multiplication sign and it will become the inverse of that. So 4 by minus 3. 4 by minus 3 means 2 into 4 it is 8 and 8 divided by minus 3. So we are getting in the right hand side 8 by minus 3. In the left hand side 1 by minus 6. So 1 by minus 6 is not equal to 8 by minus 3. The remaining concepts will be discussed in the next video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my new uploads on other topic. If you are understanding all the concept, like my video and share with your friends to get the benefits, and most importantly, don't forget to ask doubt in my description box where you will get my WhatsApp link. Thank you.